There's one crucial step to goal setting that not too many people talk about, and that's what I want to share with you today. It's the one thing that will make the difference between your goals remaining a goal or becoming a reality. So you've got your goal, you're all fired up and you're ready to go, but you've forgotten one thing. The one thing that's going to impact your goal the most is writing it down. Did you know that you are 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down? Yep, 42%. That's massive, isn't it? When I heard that years ago, it really struck me, and ever since then I've always written my goals down. Now you can do that in any way you want. What I do, and I write about this in my book Flourish, which you can get on Amazon, is that I create an I want list. So I simply write I want and then make a list of the things I want. When you're talking about a specific goal, you're then going to want to go into plenty of detail about exactly what it is you want. The second thing you're going to do is a visual reminder is something that is going to help that goal come to you even more powerfully. So if you can create a vision board, I had my little dog Sid on my vision board for about 7 years before he came into my life, and I knew he would come at the right time, which is exactly what he did, because he came right at the time my brother was diagnosed with his terminal brain cancer, and my little furry friend was exactly what I needed at that time. Once you've got your goal, you've created a visual reminder, you've put in all the detail, then you're going to want to look at that visual reminder regularly. So put it on your computer, on your office wall, on your mirror in your bathroom, wherever you're going to see it every single day. Now, why does this work? Writing your goals down makes them clearer in your mind. It helps you really focus in on exactly what it is you want. It also sets an intention to the universe, God, or whoever or whatever you believe in. It helps you stay focused. It improves your commitment, because I don't know about you, but when I write things down, I really get this kind of strong feeling that, okay, I'm making a commitment here. It's really easy just to say you're going to do things, but to actually write it down, try it and let me know what you notice when you write a goal down. That's a bit of a stretch for you. And in that, it actually increases your accountability. You've actually made a commitment to yourself. So what I'd love to know from you is, what is one goal that you want to achieve? And let me know in the comments, have you written it down? And have you created an I want list? See you again in the next video.